Are you still using VLOOKUP and getting frustrating errors? Well, today I'm going to introduce you to XLOOKUP, the modern replacement for VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP that makes Excel lookups more easier and more powerful. Hey everyone, welcome to Data Monarch channel. If you are new here, my name is Mary and I create easy to follow Excel tutorials to help you master your data analysis and increase your productivity. Before we move on, I want you to note XLOOKUP only works with updated Excel versions. So if you are using Excel versions that are from 2019 to the previous versions, you might need to update it to the latest Excel version to be able to use XLOOKUP. And I think you should do that because XLOOKUP saves you a lot of time and it is far more easier than you could have imagined. Stay tuned to the end of this tutorial because in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to apply XLOOKUP in real life scenarios. Also, I'll be sharing some pro tips on how to handle errors, and there's one thing that most people don't know you can do in XLOOKUP, and I'm sure you want to know that, right? So stay tuned to the end. What is XLOOKUP? XLOOKUP is an Excel function that allows you to search for a value in a range and returns a corresponding value in another column. It's way more powerful than VLOOKUP. Here's the basic syntax of XLOOKUP. This is the XLOOKUP syntax. I'll show you what each of them mean even as we proceed in this tutorial. Let's say we have a list of products and their prices. We want to find the price of a product using XLOOKUP. So to find the price of a smart TV, you come here under your price column, you press your equal to XLOOKUP function and you open bracket. The lookup value is smart TV, comma. The lookup array means the data range where we can find the value we are looking up, which is smart TV, and the smart TV can be found under the product name. So you highlight by using your Ctrl+Shift+Down key. Then you press your comma. The next one, which is the return array, it's talking about the corresponding value you want to return, which can be found under the price column. So there you press your Ctrl+Shift+Down to highlight the price column, then you close your bracket, enter. As you can see, this has brought it out for us. Unlike VLOOKUP, we don't need to specify a column number and we can look up data from any direction. Next on, we have handling errors in XLOOKUP. What if we search for a product that doesn't exist? Excel gives an error. We can set a default value if no match is found. Let's look for a gaming PC instead. Here you press your equal to XLOOKUP function, open bracket, the lookup value, which is the gaming PC, and the lookup array, which is the column having the range of the lookup value. You highlight it using your Ctrl+Shift+Down and then you press your comma. Then the return value, which is the price of the product, using your Ctrl+Shift+Down, you highlight it, then you close brackets, enter. So instead of it bringing us this error, because that means that gaming PC cannot be found in this product name. So what to do in order to make our values come out clean? Come here and you press your comma. You can see here it say if not found. So if not found, return not available. Enter. Great, right? Now, instead of an error, we get not available, which looks more cleaner in reports. Another feature available in XLOOKUP that most people probably don't know yet is searching in reverse order. This means that XLOOKUP can search from the bottom of a data range to the top. If we want to find the last product in the appliances category, we use search mode equals to -1. To do this, press your equal to XLOOKUP function, open brackets, write appliances, because we want to look up the last product in the appliances category. So we write appliances, close apostrophe, comma, the lookup array, which is the category. So the same way you did the other time, Ctrl+Shift+Down, you come here, press your comma. The return array is the product name, Ctrl+Shift+Down, then you come back here, then you press your comma. Note something, guys, I'll be using 3 comma. The reason is because if not found, comma, match mode, comma, then search model -1. As you can see, it has brought some things out here. This one, the first one means search first to last, -1 means search last to first, which is what we want to use. So -1, close bracket, enter. Great. So now we know that the last product under our category, under the appliances category, is electric kettle. This is something VLOOKUP cannot do. I'm so glad you stayed tuned to this time. It's been a time of learning, and trust me, you are on a great path to making yourself better by equipping yourself with the right information. My next video will be on how to use VLOOKUP for multiple criteria, and you don't want to miss it. So subscribe. Now, let's discuss why XLOOKUP is better than VLOOKUP. Number 1. XLOOKUP searches left and right, but VLOOKUP cannot. XLOOKUP finds the exact match by default, while VLOOKUP cannot do that. You have to specify. XLOOKUP supports error handling. For VLOOKUP, several errors might occur due to minute mistakes made. The last but not the least reason why XLOOKUP is better than VLOOKUP is that XLOOKUP works with multiple criteria. With all these advantages, XLOOKUP is the future. And that's it. Now you know how to use XLOOKUP in Excel for basic and advanced lookups. If you found this tutorial helpful, do also smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification button to be able to get updated on new tutorials coming up from this channel. Which one do you prefer, XLOOKUP or VLOOKUP? Let me know in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Bye.